Today I want to talk about goals. We always have goals. You know, we start the week and we say we exercise every day or we will eat less. So those are not goals that I'm talking about them today. Today I want to talk about big goals. So what is the big goal? And I want to talk about my big goal. So I was very much inspired by Jim Collins' book, Built to Last. And when I first started to think about what can be the goal that can take to 25 years, I was thinking about manufacturing companies getting connected in a one big network. So this network will be super power, super smart, super intelligent, will be able to help manufacturing companies to work together, to optimize their work, to find partners, to find how to build products. And again, everything that you can dream about, like that's the superpower of the manufacturing world, you put in this network, and this network is driven by intelligence of the data. So going back in 2005 and even 2010, I introduced manufacturing companies to ideas of the cloud, and I was talking about this in my blog. So back 10 years ago, back 15 years ago, was a completely foreign idea. So manufacturing companies that I was talking about cloud and bringing data somewhere on the cloud, for them it was like, forget about this, it's never going to happen. So manufacturing companies holding data, holding IP, will never share it to anybody. But then I started to see how things started to change. So, and these days, manufacturing companies feel very comfortable about software as a service. They run different services, they run different applications on the cloud. That already very acceptable form of software and business model. But still we are not there. We are not in the place where I've been thinking about this as a big goal. So the one big connected network, connecting companies, connecting manufacturing companies, helping them to optimize their work. I think it can take us very much forward in many things that we do. Because even let's think about what happened last month. Last month, some manufacturing companies discovered that they have very strategic dependencies with a very small number of suppliers. Yeah, think about network, think about connected information, think about intelligence. It can be a way to prevent such things from happening. I will be very much interested what they think about this. And that's it for today. I will come tomorrow with more videos about Open BOM. And that's it. Have a good night, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.